narration. Direct. Can you drive a car? I said. Question হয় সেজন্য I asked if he could drive a car. Question word নাই সেজন্য if ইউজ হয়েছে। She said let us go for a walk. Let us আছে সেজন্য she proposed that we should go for a walk. Mother said to her, don't disturb me. Mother told her not to disturb her. Mother said to me, don't tell a lie. Mother advice দেওয়া বোঝাচ্ছে সেজন্য mother advised me not to tell a lie. She said to him, keep quiet. Indirect হবে she asked him to keep quiet.